Today we are going to talk about different methods available in the HTTP protocol. So I think most of us are aware about the different available method in the HTTP. So let me list down all the methods. The first method is a get, and then we have a post, then we have a delete, and put, patch. Okay, so these are five mostly used HTTP methods in our day-to-day service development, right? So I think and we are very much clear about the what is the get call and what is the delete call, but sometimes we get confused, or sometimes we can say sometimes most of us get confused where should we exactly use the post, put and patch, or sometimes maybe we are only get confused between the put and patch only. Okay, so today we are going to only discuss about the post call and put and patch, and what is the main differences between them. So if we talk about the post call, right, using post calls, what we create resources every time. So each time we make a call and the new resources gets created, right? So using post, right, we create a new resources every time, right? It's clear. One more thing is there that this method is not a it's not a idempotent method. So this method is not a idempotent, right? So if we make a 10 times calls, 10 times a new resources will be created here. Okay, right? So this is clear, right? Then one more thing is there that in the post calls the output we cannot cast here. So cannot cast the output in case of post, right? So that is a main use case of the post call here. The next I am going to discuss here the what is the put here. Okay, so in which case we should use a put. Okay, so put methods we generally use if you wants to update any existing record. Okay, so want to update any existing record. Okay, and that also, it's not like that we are updating a record partially. Okay, it will completely replace. Okay, it will, what it will do, it will completely completely replace a existing resources. Okay, so this will completely resource existing. Okay, and this method, okay, is idempotent. Okay, means that if you are calling 10 times, okay, and this methods, it's not so it's not like that it will create a 10 new resources, right? It, because we are just updating one existing resources, and yeah, but yeah, definitely the corresponding that resources, so 10 times you are going to replace it. Okay, so that is going to be happen. Okay, but it won't create a new one. Okay, so that we need to keep in our mind. And the output, and here the output, right, will get cached. So if you want to cache the output, that we can do it. Okay, so this is all about the put call. And then last one is a patch. Okay, so patch is almost same like put call, but the only difference is that in the put, what we do, we replace complete records, complete resources we update. Okay, but here if you wants to update a partially you want to update, or you can say a set of columns or set of data if you want to only update, then for existing records then we use a patch. So what we do here, we update uh, records, or you can say the resources partially here. Okay. Partially. So only partially if you are updating, then in that case we can you go for the patch method here. Okay. Hope this explanation worked for you, and if you have a doubt, please give your comments down and I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much.